Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Mindset. Today we're going to be talking about how I make 7,772 Bitcoin automatically per day for free. Be sure to stay until number 1 so you can get the most out of these tips and tricks and earn yourself some Bitcoin. Number 1, Bitcoin wallet setup. And you thought of getting into Bitcoin. Well, in order to get started, what is the first step that you got to do? Well, you got to sign up for your own Bitcoin wallet, and this isn't as difficult as it may sound. It's actually quite simple. You can start off by going to the website Coinbase and setting up your own Bitcoin wallet there. The best part is that it's absolutely free to do so, and once there, go to the top of the page and click on Get Started and follow the instructions that are given. Another great website to set up a Bitcoin wallet is Blockchain. On this website, it is similar to Coinbase. Click on Get Started and fill out the form that you're redirected to. This is also a free process. Having trouble figuring out which wallet to choose? Well, head on over to bitcoin.com/en/choose-your-wallet. This will lead you to a form which you can then complete to figure out which Bitcoin website is right for you. Make sure to choose a secure and legit wallet, and once you've got that good to go, you're ready to move on to step number 2. Number 2, join FaucetPay. In order to simplify the process of earning Bitcoin, you are now able to begin joining some websites. The first place is known as FaucetPay. You will want to connect to this website, so head on over to their page. Once you are on their page, click on the sign up button on the bottom of the website. It will then ask you for some details to enter in your username, email address, password, and accept the terms and conditions. It's really that simple. When entering in your email address, make sure it's a legit and working one, as they'll be sending you a validation link to confirm your account. You're not going to be able to sign up for this website without it, so make sure that you look at this website and enter in everything carefully. Now let's take a look at another website. Number 3, join ExpressCrypto. To optimize your gains, you may want to enter several websites, so let's get another crypto website checked out. Go to ExpressCrypto. On the top right corner, you will see a sign up button. Click on that to get started. It will take you over to a page where you can enter in your credentials like your username, email address, and Bitcoin address, as well as choose a password. If you're wondering what a Bitcoin address is, well, it's the address that came with your Bitcoin wallet. Your Bitcoin address is a series of random letters and numbers using both upper and lower case. Find that and enter it into the appropriate box when signing up to the ExpressCrypto site. So why do you need to link your Bitcoin wallet to these websites? Well, that's how you're going to be passively receiving Bitcoin. You won't need to worry about the process at all, as it's all automated. Let's move on to the next website that you need to check out. Number 4, head to the Final Autoclaim website. Now it is time to find the websites that will actually help you receive your Bitcoin passively. These websites will put Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet that you've set up without having to pay any attention or do any of the work. The first website that we're going to be looking at is called Final Autoclaim. Pay close attention to this step because it's going to be very difficult to navigate without knowing what to do. So once you get to this website, you will want to register. Simply click on the register button on the top tab of the website. Enter in your credentials just like all of the other websites. You will need an active email address for this site because you will need to verify your account via an email sent to you. Once you've done everything correctly, you'll be led to their homepage, and now it's time to set up the process. Scroll down a bit and you will see a few options that you can select. One option is a payment mode. You should have already set up your ExpressCrypto account, so select ExpressCrypto mode in the options. Now scroll down and it is time to select the currency you'd like to receive. There are a lot of currencies to choose from, but you will want to select Bitcoin with the abbreviation BTC. When you scroll down a bit more, you will need to complete a simple captcha. After that, you can then click on Start Auto Faucet. It will then lead you to a new page, and every 2 minutes it will mine Bitcoin for you. You won't have to continuously check it, as it will be all directed into your account on ExpressCrypto. Super simple, right? Let's take a look at the other websites. Number 5, head to the Auto Faucet website. The next best website that we've got for you today for passively mining Bitcoin is called Auto Faucet. Just like the last website, this one is also super easy to use. The concept is also quite similar. On this site, you'll want to go to the top right hand side of the page and click on Sign Up. Then enter in your credentials in order to create an account. After you've done that, you will then be able to access the website's dashboard. There are many options on the left hand side of the website. You can see daily bonuses, games, and other options. This website's a little bit different from the other options because you will need to earn these Bitcoin. So how do you earn Bitcoin on this website? Well, go back to the left-hand side of the website and click on either the daily bonus or offer walls button. You will then be directed to watch and complete surveys. This will help you to earn tokens that will then allow you to mine Bitcoin on the website. Once you've earned enough tokens, you can then convert them into Bitcoin. It's all done in the background, so you're not going to need to do any work in order to earn your Bitcoin. One important thing you need to note is that you will need to keep your browser on in order to have the process take place. Once you close the browser, the website will stop mining your Bitcoin. Keep it open and your earnings will be made passively. So now that we've learned about this website and how great it can be and how easily it is to earn Bitcoin through this website, what about another website? Well, let's move on to the next step to find out more. Number 6, head to the AutoClaim website. Just like many of the other websites mentioned in this video, with very simple measures, AutoClaim is a great way for you to passively earn Bitcoin. It is a very important website to use because it's very easy to gain as much Bitcoin as possible when used along with the other ones that we've looked at. So what you're going to want to do is visit the AutoClaim website. On this website, just like all the other websites, you're going to want to look for the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Now click on that and it will lead you to a new page where you've got to enter in your credentials. You know the drill, make sure that you add in all the correct information, otherwise you won't be able to make an account. This website is pretty similar to the Auto Faucet website. You'll be led to a dashboard where you'll then have the chance to watch videos, complete surveys, and play games. After completing these short and easy tasks, you will then be able to use the rewards given to mine for your own Bitcoin. Again, this is all an automatic process, so you won't have to do any of the work. Simply keep your browser on and you'll be earning a ton of Bitcoin in no time. It really is that simple. Number 7, head back to your Bitcoin wallet. So, you've just signed up for all these websites and started mining for Bitcoin for your life. And what is next? Well, you're going to want to head back on over to the Bitcoin wallet that you chose to use and then take a look at your balance. Once you're pleased with what you've gotten, you can then see the conversion rates to see how much Bitcoin is worth and estimate how much money you've made by mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be used to make transactions online anonymously, or you can trade with other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, if you would like to convert it into your country's currency, you can do that through your Bitcoin wallet as well. The great thing is that you can make all of your passive earnings and have them put into your bank account. Continue to use this process to earn an endless amount of Bitcoin, and watch as your balance steadily rises over the next few days, weeks, months, and even years. It really can be that simple to earn, and you don't even need to invest any money into it. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these videos on your screen. See you there.